guys! Welcome back to my channel, and alam niyo ba kung anong ganap natin today? We're on the way sa airport dahil pupunta na tayo UK for UDO and SOAR competition. Kinakabahan ako. Tinan niyo kasama ko guys. Suot yung hikaw. Alam niyo, dapat ang suot ko is black. Sabi niyo, huwag ka mag-black, magba-black ako.
Kasi black pang ano yun.
Pampayat daw kasi admit na mataba siya.
Oo.
Kaya pinaganito niya ako. Okay lang, ganda ko pa rin with my red hair. See you there! Hi guys! I just woke up and now nandito na tayo sa Naiya. Tinan niyo ako yung plane ticket namin for sa entrance. Hello, kinakabahan ako. Baka mamaya may makita kong pogi doon, hindi na ako makauwi. Charot. See you there! Let's go! Legit status! Let's go! Hand carry ko nga pala guys. So we're here na Ninoy Aquino Airport and look nyo naman oh. Hi guys! We're coming back in UK!
Papunta pa lang talaga. Coming back agad.
Sorry! Hi guys! Right now we're in the bathroom. So I'm just waiting for my mom to like get out of the bathroom. My passport. Look at the nails. I just like it. My passport in Pilipinas. I'm just waiting for my mom. And then I think we're gonna check in after this. I think. Oh, my mom's there. Hi guys, so we're on the way now to Pabalot. Iparap yung kanina pabalot, English ngayon iparap. Ano ba talaga? So on the way na kami, ipapabalot namin yung mga maleta namin from T-Partner. Thank you so much T-Partner. Pakaganda ng luggage namin.
Ito, yan o. Protect
So this is
protectable.
okay. So this is like our first time traveling without my dad. It's 33.
25.3 ma'am.
Okay lang yan, no?
Okay lang yun ma'am.
Kala ko 33 nakita ko kanina eh.
Ito mabigat.
gadget para bang sa loob.
26. Ay, 25. Okay na to ma'am.
Thank you.
Pero pa ma'am.
Walang pwede ibawas dyan. Nandyan panlaban ko. Okay.
Ito yung may groom.
So like both of our luggage is 25. Gagi guys, tignan nyo, parang buntis yung bag ni mami oh. Like it's pregnant. Mine's like 2 months pregnant. So guys, since it's our first, pakauwi din ang mukha ko. It's our first travel. So total natin yung mga nagastos natin. For now, we already had 600 for the wrapping. Pero hindi pa dyan yung nagtatakos. Alam niyo naman kami mga babae pag may nakita kami sa kung saan man dito. Paka. So hello guys, I'm back. I'm back for another hour. We're here na po sa may, ang tawag mo dito mami? Sa pag-check-inan ba to? Look. We're gonna get our like copies of tickets. Tapos ipapa-check-in na din namin yung luggage namin. And then after nun, most exciting part, immigration. No! Charot. Over. Siya, relax lang. Ang dami niyang ginagawa. May posting pa siya. Ganyan.
Tira?
Susu. Update ko na lang kayo guys. You like my nails? Look who's there. It's Savion and White and it's Ate Kieran over there. Kakasalubong talaga kaming lahat. Guys, apakaswerte namin. Finally, nakapasok kami. Sa immigration, wala pang 5 minutes. Nakapasok na kami. Then now, nakalimutan namin bumili ng neck pillow. Kaya bibili tayo ngayon to sa Miniso. So guys, medyo mahaba ang biyahe natin today. Kailangan natin ng neck pillow. Wait. Dumudulas eh.
Ha?
Dumudulas eh. Pero ang lambot niya.
Yan na lang. Okay naman siya. Saka maliit lang, Scarlett.
Checking the check this up.
Ay, thank you, Lord. Finally. This is it.
Patutuloy na talaga.
Nakapasok na kami ng immigration.
Half pa lang.
Hapa pala.
May connection. Connected pa. Ano yun, mami? After na pagba ng aeroplano, kuha luggage.
Oo,
Mag-start
syempre
ulit.
hindi. Mga 2 hours daw. 2.5
Okay
tayo.
na nga. Mag-check-in agad tayo para... Oh, yep. I prefer this. Ay, mas malambot. Look.
Ah, okay.
Parang
How
balikat
much?
niya.
How much? Wala akong narinig. How much? Kasi
Walang
alam ko mas
price?
mahal dito sa airport.
Wala.
How much po?
How about you?
Check oh.
Sure. Nagugutom talaga ako. Sa airplane na lang tayo bumili pagkain. Hindi, I mean like, while we're on the flight, eat.
Okay, we're done. Let's go.
Mama, anong word? Ang tatakas mo to?
Grabe sa itatakas. So later na lang. Kain tayo mamaya.
Yep. Update ko kayo parang siya. So, hi guys. We just bought 2 neck pillows and it's $8.58 plus the one we bought earlier. Then let's go to our gates na. This is our... Hi guys. Finally, after ilang oras boarding na, na-delay yung flight namin.
Konti lang.
Yung boarding namin, nag-board kami 6:20 pero dapat 5:45 yung boarding namin. So, update ko kayo pag nasa airplane na kami. Ayun na siya. Guys, we're boarding na. I'll update you in the plane. So, guys, this is our seat. This one and this one. We'll be sitting na. Wait lang. Hi, vlog. We're seated na and the plane is about to take off. So, hi, vlog. So, we're seated na and the plane's about to take off. So, we cannot, vlog. So, I'll update you na lang.
After ilang hours?
8 hours.
See you at Doha after 8 hours.
Yeah, we'll arrive there by 11 p.m. Doha time, but 2 a.m. in Filipino time. Guys, we received our airport food. I ordered... Okay, what is this? Let's taste test. Hi guys. We're almost. Hi guys, just landed. And then we're gonna have stopovers. And we're gonna ride to Manchester. Morning Philippines. It's not morning in here, it's evening. Hey guys, just landed. Now we're exiting. Ang bango. Ito hindi ganito ako sa Philippines ha. Now we're on the way to transfer planes kasi we're not gonna claim the luggage, am I right? Am I left? Y'all, we're on the way to transfers. Kasi, pag binaggage claim natin, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo mapupunta ngayon. Ito na naman.
Ano mga ticket natin kung ano tayo sa
Huh?
Manchester?
We're 1 a.m. We're bored.
Mamaya ka pala tayo.
But Daddy said we have to go fast.
Diretso na tayo.
Let's go, guys. Round 2. Hi, guys. We took a train to the C65. We are C15. Manchester, here we come. Time check. And the time here in Doha is 12 a.m. But in the Philippines it's 5 a.m. Almost 6. Now we're on on the way na tayo ngayon sa Manchester, our final destination. Manchester, our final destination. And after that, punta lang sa Holiday Inn. Mag-breakfast na kami. Then, we'll spend the whole week here. Then, transfer na tayo sa Blackpool for UDO. Then, goodbye London. See you there. We're gonna sleep for 6 hours and 37 minutes. Good morning.
May time pa ako. Pagkatapos
We're here now. Almost there. You see that? Hindi ko alam kung nasan to. Gusto ko pasok.
Marami pang susunod pag tingin natin sa
2 hours pa. We're halfway there na do.
Oo, kahit Gora.
Layo na natin sa Pilipinas.
Okay,
Like, Estes Tagalog.
Guys, di niya abot.
Hi guys. It's 6:35 a.m. and we just landed in Manchester. Hi.
Good morning.
Look, nothing beats a jet to holiday. Compet day is tomorrow or in 8. Depends. Good luck, legit. I won't be vlogging for another 3 days because our phone is confiscated. So we have to focus for the Lavarn. So, look, arrivals. We're not gonna transfer anymore, obviously. Baka pag nag-transfer tayo sa Antarctica tayo mapunta. Finally! Oh my freaking god. After, wait. I'm doing the math. 15 hours. Kasi we took 8 hours in
7.
Qatar and 7 here.
Qatar to Manchester.
Yeah. Saktapat guys. Legit lang. Pero I can tell na mas steady yung flight nung second transfer natin.
Kasi dun
this
sa
is first.
una.
Sobrang relaxed lang ako. So, I'm meeting you here. Hi guys, we just passed the UK border immigration and now we are claiming our luggage in number 11. Alam mo, lucky bracelet ko talaga to. I wore this nung, I don't know what type of competition, basta I wore that. Oh my gosh, this is my first ever competition pala sa legit. Am I right?
Yeah.
Kasi,
Tapos international ago.
podcasting, represent. Diba? Am I right? Oh my god, I am so happy to messages for other luggage. Is it this one? Is this one? No? Okay, let's go. Bring my own stuff. So we won't be able to vlog kasi ang dami namin duplicate. Bye. Hi guys! Successfully, nakasakay na tayo ng taxi on the way sa hotel. Then, pagdating doon, gutom na ako. Go-OTD kami after OPD. Training na. Grabe, parang ayoko na bumalik ng Pilipinas. Nakita ko yung... Okay guys, wait, balik na rin natin yung camera. So, kita nyo ba yan? Dumadaan tayo sa Gupat right now. Grabe, ang lami! Oh, sige, Bi. Ipaglalaban ko. Tinan mo kahit yung taxi nila walang aircon. Sa Pilipinas, huhulas ka na sa pausa. May sigarilyo pa eh.
Yes, dito ay walang aircon dito.
Hindi uso aircon dito guys kasi ang lamig ng weather nila.
Para lang siyang typical na...
It looks like Hong Kong. Diba? Nung pumunta tayo Disneyland, ganito din dinaanan natin.
Oo, parang siyang probinsya. Wala siyang mga building.
Pero yung probinsya nila dito guys, ano na namin? Manila na namin. NLEX to, ma. Are you guys seeing NLEX?
Oo.
You see the vision? Ayun, paakyat yun ng Philippine Arena. Guys, natatawa talaga ako kay Mami. Sabi niya kanina nung magsi-CR, saan po yung comfort room? Nakalimutan niya. Qatar Airways na yung sinasakyan namin. Sabi, pardon? Guys, we're here. Ayun na yung McDonald's sa harap ng hotel
Yeah,
na.
this is your hotel.
Okay.
Ayun na yung McDonald's.
Grabe talaga. May McDo talaga dito. See?
Mami, para namang bandang McDo sa
Hindi
Manchester.
naman.
Do you know that it's so cold?
Ito yung Holiday Inn. So, dito kami magstay.
Guys, biruin mo, naka-aircon yung buong Manchester na. 15 degrees AC. Inverter sa Pilipinas.
Okay, go. Samang tayong nandun.
Hi guys! We're finally here. It's already almost 9 a.m. and it's freezing cold. Ayun yung mga kidnapper na ba na napapanood ko ah. Yun yung mga nagbebenta ng ice cream. Ah, lamig! So, finally nakahiga na tayo dito sa hotel. This is my ending vlog ng Philippines to... Ay! May multo! This is my finishing vlog na kasi matutulog na tayo. It's already 10 p.m. here. And grabe naman be, may araw pa. So, dito na magtatapos ang ating Philippine to UK vlog. Parang di pa siya agree sa sinabi ko ah. Dito siya nagtatapos, pati yung relationship nyo, dito na din nagtatapos.
Pati yung kayo. Tama na naman pala kayo.
Medyo nasaktan ako dun ah. Bye guys! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Click the bell button for more updates and vlogs like this. LEGIT!